was still over on Division. Why did I do that?
I don't know. Why did you do that?
Backwards. I don't know. I don't know.
K-band.
Yes, we are. Some little further drop in the gas prices, but that'll be temporary.
Huh?
There's a little dip in the gas prices is unfortunately going to be temporary
Oh, yeah.
because of the situation with Iran.
I know.
And Iran to Iraq.
What do you think about that? You think we're right?
Yeah, I do. And Democrats need to get over it. Just,
I hope we're right,
so
Mark.
I think we are. Let me take this.
Otherwise, there's going to be so much death.
Yep.
Even if we're wrong, there's
Yep.
death. I'm so sorry
Yep.
about that.
Oh yeah.
Even to the Iranian people, the yup-yups aren't going to pay for it, the people are.
Yep. Well, I shall be right back.
Okay.
Use the restroom first.
You just shut that door.
Just gonna double check everything here. Yeah, it was this rubber strap right here, this rubber seal that was flapping.
Oh,
So
is that shutting the door?
what's that? No, the door shuts. It flaps outside.
Oh.
I just need to stuff it back in the groove here.
Oh,
So